So it's an egg muffin breakfast meal prep. And it looks like roasted potatoes and fruit. It's pretty good. Pretty darn tasty looking.
Rising to be. Rising to be productive. Rising to be organized. Rising to be inspired. Who are you rising to be? New podcast every Tuesday. New videos every Wednesday and Saturday. Take the fuss out of what you're having for dinner using Rising to Be's Grocery Gladiator printable bundle. The customizable meal planner helps you to prep and plan your meals ahead of time. And you can even add links to your favorite Pinterest recipes to try out for later. Use the shopping list custom categories to never forget anything while shopping for your groceries. Keep track of your exercises, daily steps, water intake, body measurements, and other fitness goals you have throughout the week and month to track your fitness progress using the Grocery Gladiator bundle. 3 unique color options to choose from. Available now at risingtobe.com and on Etsy. Hello everyone and welcome to Rising to Be, where I help you rise to be productive, organized, and inspired. In today's video, we're going to be planning in my Fitness Happy Planner. What's it? Faith Happy Planner. Fitness Happy Planner for the month of July. And what else? Be sure to subscribe so you can catch new videos just like this. And of course, check out my main channel, Rising to Be, where I post productivity tips every single Wednesday. And of course, on this channel, there's brand new planner videos every single Saturday. So be sure to subscribe and check out my Patreon if you want early access, as well as behind the scenes and extra content on my Patreon at patreon.com/Rising to Be. And since it is July, we'll likely be ending our semi-annual sale. I want to say during the 4th of July. But yeah, I'm not sure when this video is coming out, but yeah, the discount code should be popping up on your screen. And yeah, shop Rising to Be and shop a small business. But that's all I have. Let's see. I like this really nice divider. My voice is just like crackling today, I don't know why. But I like this divider, it's very, very cute. And it has like the different weights. And yeah, it's a nice purple ombre. I think I want to do purple, like a nice deep purple for this month. Alright, so reduce sugar. Reduce sugar intake. What else? And stay on track. Alright, so now that that is done, let me go ahead and pop these pages out so we can get this calendar situated. Alright, so of course I'm going to go ahead and use this Crayola Super Tips marker to trace around the border like I do every single month. And yeah. And if you're curious what supplies I'm using, that'll all be linked down below in our description box. And of course, if you use those links, it helps to support the channel and allows for me to make more videos just like this. Alright, so now that that is done, let me grab my phone so I can find my calendar. I almost said calculator. So that way we can go ahead and number this calendar. Because it's July. And that's again, yeah, it's July. I always forget what month it is sometimes because nothing is numbered. You gotta do everything yourself. But at the end of this calendar, at the end of this planner, I'm not gonna get another fitness planner. I mentioned this in my last video, but yeah. I've had it. I was considering getting another like fitness planner as long as it's dated, but it just depends. But I'm really thinking about just going ahead and moving on to using my own products, if that makes sense. Because I really am obsessed with my Grocery Gladiator bundle. And of course my customizable shopping list is just super easy to use for me.
And of course, easy to use with the meal plan and like throwing recipes in to use throughout the week. It's super duper easy for me. Why am I writing 22 twice? All right, 24, 26. And then 31. All right, there we go. And now let me go ahead and trace around my empty boxes so I'll know what boxes I can decorate later on. All right, so now that that is done, let me go ahead and do my weekly pages and write the exercise plan I have, and then we can go ahead and start the meal plan. Alright, so now that that is done, let me go ahead and grab my iPad so we can do our meal plan. And make sure I'm in frame, of course. Alright, there we go. And it's 12 pages if you get the meal planner, and of course it's like 25 plus pages if you get the Grocery Gladiator bundle, because you're going to get the 12 pages of the meal planner and then of course the other pages for the customizable shopping list. And yeah, so yeah, I'm not sure which one I want to use today. Of course it's Monday through Friday and then Monday through Sunday and then Sunday through Saturday, I believe, as well as breakfast, lunch, and dinner options and breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snack versions. Never run out of business cards again with a Popple digital business card that instantly connects us with others, allowing for more connections, more leads, more sales, and sharing your social channels with others. And instantly share your contact info with your clients. Share your info with a tap or a scan by networking with Popple's cards, keychains, bracelets, and even add a bit of personality with your own logo. Use the link in the description to save 20% on your order, compatible with Apple and Android devices. A Rising to Be partner. I think I'm gonna use my neutral. And of course it comes in 3 different colors. Let me use this one, yeah. It comes in 3 different colors, and yeah, I think you'll like it. I've had some pretty good reviews so far. But yeah, I'm always open to what other people have to say about it. And I'm always open to criticism. Okay, so I think I'm gonna do this. It's like baby waffles, an egg, some strawberries, and some cashews. It's different. I'm gonna crop it a bit more. Oh, this looks good. So it's an egg muffin breakfast meal prep. It looks like roasted potatoes and fruit. It's pretty good. Pretty darn tasty looking. And I think I'm gonna do this Thursday, Friday, Saturday. There we go. I think I might have this. My voice is dwindling. My lord. And now my AirPod just died. My goodness. No, this looks really good. A pancake taco. Now that's interesting. I'll save that for next month. What else? Like, that could be a dinner. A nice dinner option. You don't just have to have sandwiches for lunch, you know? Today's comment of the day goes to Maddie Lane. Lovely editing. Thanks so much for your comment, Maddie Lane. And I'm not sure what marry chicken is, but I'm open to trying it. It looks really good though. It looks like it's in some kind of sauce. I'm open to it. There we go. Yeah. I think that's my meal plan for the month. I think that's a good place to leave it. And my iPad is clearly 57%. It's usually not this low on battery. Alright, so now that that's done, let me go ahead and grab my planner so we can finish decorating for July. Let me zoom you in so you can see what I'm doing. I'm not sure where to put this. Oh my goodness, I forgot to do my key. Let me do that. Alright. So red is move, and of course these are all my ring trackers from my Apple Watch. Green is what, exercise? Yeah. I'm so glad I stopped myself before I put all them stickers there. I was like, something's supposed to go here. Blue is stand. Purple is steps. Let me grab that. And of course, orange is distance. All right. Am I in frame? I am now. Go the extra mile. It's never crowded. All right, I like it. I'm gonna add this number of miles. I run because I really like food. That's pretty funny. Make healthy a habit on this one. And of course, work it. I'm not sure what I want to add in these two over here. I'm sure I can find something though. That could work. Can it? Let's see. Kinda. It's got quite snug. And then I'll add icons around it, I guess. Yeah, let's do that. It's a bit busy, but I like it. And this here just says run it off, because why not? And of course, eat clean, lift, sweat it off. Yeah, I like it. It's a lot happening, but I think it works. I think it works. Let's see. There we go. I think that's cute. All right, bye y'all. Remember to keep rising to be who you want to be, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone. Keep rising to be who you want to be. I just want to take a moment to thank our patrons and channel members. This episode would not be possible without your support. Thank you. Watch next week's episode early by joining my Patreon for more exclusive content. There's 3 tiers to choose from at patreon.com/risingtobe. Thank you so much for stopping by and pressing play. I truly appreciate it. Let me know down below in the comments or your podcast review which tip you'll be using. Keep rising to be who you want to be. Bye, risers.